Welcome everyone to another episode of Studio Insights with Belvista Studios. This is an opportunity for us to ask each other questions, improve, and it's kind of like our development discussions, and we just share it publicly. So we've come prepared with questions. I'm going to go first. Hannah, my question is for you. So you've just done something that is you're learning and applying and stretching yourself. So what are you proud of in that? And then I will answer part B of the question.
Oh, okay. So for everyone that doesn't know that's watching, which you probably don't.
You don't need to give specifics. It's more you're challenging.
I am a specific type person. Okay. Well, anyway, I did coaching for the first time, like a group coaching session. I think I'm proud that I kept it running for 2 hours without freaking out. I'm proud of the value that it added to the person that was there. Like they said, it added a lot of value to them and they had like a lot of aha moments and you could see that they were like learning and thinking things through. So that was like really nice to get that feedback from them. And I think like what I'm going to do is as part of my learning is I'm going to watch back to like observe the way that I did things to see if I could do things in a better way, just from that third perspective. But I think from like the feedback I got that I was able to like explain things and help them understand what they were wanting to know. Because each time they're like, oh yeah, that makes sense. Wow, that's really cool. So it was like, yeah, I guess I'm proud of that feedback that we got from the session.
Cool. And part B, what are your next steps to kind of that you want to, they're like your continuous improvement?
So yeah, I wrote it down. I want to watch back the recording and like make notes from another perspective and try to action and improve for the next one. And then something else I want to get better at, because we spoke about learning objectives in the session, and that's like, I find them quite difficult, learning objectives. I think like it takes like a lot of deep thinking and I struggle to do that with someone else and coach them to do that. So another thing or action I want to take is get like really, really comfortable with learning objectives and in a space where I can show other people how to do it. So they were my 2 actions from the session.
So you're good at learning objectives. It's just trying to teach someone else.
I think I'm okay at them, but I do feel like I get feedback from you to improve each time. So I think I could be better. I just haven't done them in a while. And I also like, I know I could improve and do better at them because what I see you, like what you generate with the learning objectives, I don't know if I would generate that same outcome. So I think it is an area that I need to work on.
Okay. Cool.
That's my current perspective, but we'll see. I need to like explore it because it could be a confidence thing or it could be I need to learn more about the topic.
So you're going to take the time to reflect and prioritize. You've got 2 things initially, and then you're going to probably, because you've literally just got off the call, so you'll probably process more, but you're creating the space to reflect. Love it.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Love it.
What's your cue?
Cool. So my question is for you, Kim, and I would like to know, so it's relevant to coaching because obviously like that's what I'm experimenting with at the moment and learning. So I wanted to know how you decide what questions to ask people to get them where they need to be in coaching. So it's something I've noticed that you do rather than giving the answer, you ask them like multiple questions to get them to understand themselves. And I'd just love to know what your process is for that.
I'm just thinking in my head when they say something and then I'm like, it'd be good if they could get to this place because they've expressed that's where they want to get to. So in my head, I'm like, they're currently here based on what they've said and they've told us they want to get here. What's a question I can ask that will help them get closer? It might not get them like straight there, but it might get them a little bit closer. So I just think about what's a question I could get them that makes them reflect or think about next steps. I guess
How
that's
do
the
you
framework.
get that question though? Because I get that, but I don't know if I would know how to generate a question that would even be like relevant to what they're trying to, or I'd be like, am I just asking that for the sake of it? And where is that going to take me?
Well, there's probably just questions online that you can Google that are like coaching questions. But for me, I don't believe that. Oh, sorry, I don't believe, because I don't have experience, because I haven't gone and Googled coaching questions. So what I'm doing is I'm just dealing with it in the moment and being present to where they're currently at and what they've expressed they desire, they want to be at, and then helping them create their own pathway to get them from A to B. So for me, there is no just one specific question. It's just from what I've been dealt with right there in the moment, how do I help them get there? Because I feel like it's contextual. There probably is same questions like, how might you get there? How might you do it differently next time? There's probably a combination of questions that you just regurgitate over and over. I just haven't expressed at that time. Maybe if I reflect on all the coaching sessions, I'm probably asking the same 3 questions, just slight variations all the time. But I feel more comfortable personally if I'm okay with not knowing and just knowing that I have the skills to get me to the knowing, which is asking questions. If I come in with these are the top 10 or top 5 or top 3 coaching questions, I just can't cope personally. My brain goes into overload. It's too stressful for me. So I'd rather be at peace with what is, and when I say be at peace, I'm just present to what are they specifically saying right now, and what do I want in me to help them get closer to where they have said they desire, they want to be. I feel that's way more peaceful personally than having these are the 3 questions and is this the right time to apply that question. So that's okay. Yeah. I just think of it like instructional design. Be curious and use a framework, which I've just described.
Okay, cool, thanks. I'll reflect on that. See what it means for me. Thank you.
Yeah, cool. Any other questions, or is this a shorty?
That's all I had.
Cool. There we go, people. Another episode of Studio Insights, a short one. But I think take what Hannah said about her learning, reflect, prioritize your reflection, and think about the next steps that will get you to your desired outcome. That's the summary of both of our answers of this episode. Thanks for watching. Thank you for choosing to learn with us. We are grateful.
What's up, awesome human? Thank you on behalf of myself and the Belvista Studios team for continuously choosing to learn with us. We really appreciate it. If the tips and the insights and the context resonate with you and you want to take your skills to the next level, or you want to make your life way easier, you will love our Creator Hub. The Creator Hub is a place for people like you and us. Basically, it's the stuff that we use internally at Belvista Studios, and then we just share it publicly with you. The Creator Hub is created by instructional designers for instructional designers, and what you'll love there at the moment is we've got a quiz, could I be a better instructional designer, that has so much tips in the feedback if you're interested in human-centered design or just taking your skills to the next level in terms of the solutions you're creating, the problems you want to solve. But in there as well, aren't we cute? That's us. But we've got the coaching courses, freebies, give us gratitude, and also we've got some templates. And basically they're always around the lens of learning experience design, instructional design, and e-learning. So a human-centered design focus is very much what we're about at Belvista Studios. So putting your learners at the heart of a solution and creating something for their needs. So there's the human-centered design stuff, and then we've also got the business stuff. So this is the stuff they don't teach you about when you want to become a freelancer or a consultant in the instructional design world. So go check it out. The link is in the description. You can check out everything that is available for you. Thank you for choosing to learn with us. Continuously invest in your skills. You will be rewarded as an instructional designer. Share this stuff, share it with other people, because when we are better instructional designers, we create better solutions that create better humans, that create a better world. So we have a very important role, and I'm excited to be on this journey with you. Have an awesome day.